This Ecolution Easy Clean Ceramic Nonstick Cookware set stands out as a comprehensive kitchen solution for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Designed with practicality, durability, and healthier cooking in mind, this 26-piece set offers everything you need to cook, bake, prep, and chop efficiently. From its toxin-free ceramic nonstick coating to its even heating construction, this cookware set has all the features you could want for a modern kitchen. Key features of the Ecolution Easy Clean Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set. 1. All-in-one versatility. This set is thoughtfully curated to cover all your kitchen needs. It includes 5-quart stock pot with lid, 3.5-quart sauté pan with lid, 2-quart saucepan with lid, 9.5-inch fry pan, 8-inch fry pan, 2 baking sheets, bamboo cutting board, 3.5-inch paring knife, 5-inch paring knife, 3 bamboo tools. Whether you're boiling pasta, sautéing vegetables, baking cookies, or chopping ingredients, this set has you covered. 2. Health-conscious cooking. One of the standout features is the clean ceramic nonstick coating. This coating ensures that food effortlessly slides off the pan, reducing the need for additional oils or fats. The cookware is also free from PFOA, PTFE, and PFAS, making it a safer choice for your family. 3. Fast and even heating. The multi-layer construction ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. Whether you're frying, simmering, or baking, you can trust the Ecolution cookware for reliable performance. 4. Comfort grip handles. Each piece in the set features ergonomic, comfort grip handles that provide a secure hold, reducing the chances of accidents in the kitchen. 5. Tempered glass lids. The pots and pans come with tempered glass lids, allowing you to monitor your food without releasing heat. This feature is particularly handy for simmering sauces or soups. 6. Dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but not with this set. The entire cookware set is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Why choose the Ecolution Easy Clean Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set? 1. Perfect for new homes. Whether you're setting up your first kitchen or looking for an all-inclusive cookware set, the Ecolution cookware is ideal. It's a great gift for housewarmings, weddings, or anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. 2. Healthy and toxin-free. In today's health-conscious world, cookware that doesn't leach harmful chemicals is essential. The Ecolution set delivers on this promise, ensuring you cook with peace of mind. 3. Stylish design. The sleek black finish of the cookware adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, making it a functional yet stylish addition. Pros: comprehensive set. Users love that this set includes everything from pots and pans to baking sheets and knives. Nonstick excellence. Many reviewers praise the ceramic coating for its superior nonstick performance. Durability. The multi-layer construction and high-quality materials ensure long-lasting use. Ease of cleaning. Both the dishwasher-safe design and the non-stick surface make cleaning effortless. Cons: lids fit specifically. Some users noted that the lids are designed to fit specific pots and pans, which requires attention while cooking. Limited color options. While the black finish is stylish, additional color choices would appeal to a broader audience. Conclusion: this Ecolution Easy Clean Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set is more than just a collection of kitchen tools. It's a complete upgrade for your cooking experience. From its toxin-free ceramic nonstick coating to its fast-heating, durable construction, every element of this set is designed with convenience, health, and versatility in mind. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or exploring gourmet recipes, this 26-piece set equips you with everything you need to succeed in the kitchen. Its thoughtful design, including comfort grip handles and tempered glass lids, enhances usability, while the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup effortless. Stylish, functional, and built to last, this set is ideal for new homeowners, experienced chefs, and everyone in between. If you're ready to revolutionize your cooking experience, the Ecolution Easy Clean Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set is your go-to solution. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and elevate your kitchen game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.